So when you're making announcements in Google Classroom, you can also go around and format out the text. For example, let's say I want to say something to the classroom. So I'm just going to go around for your presentation tomorrow. So I'm just going to go around and say for your presentation tomorrow, be sure to bring the following following items right here, or remember these points right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around over here and then let's say for example press enter over here, and I'm going to go around and say be on time, and I'm going to say dress well, and then prepare let's say for example prepare presentation slides, of course. So I'm just going to go around and do that, and over here on the bottom I'm going to go around and add in a note right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and say like let's say for example every let's say for example everyone in the team will be marked equally, just like this. So let's say I have this, and what I want to do is, let's say for example I want to format this out. Let's say for example I'm going to go around and emphasize the word presentation, so I can bold it out right here, and I'm going to go around and bold out these points. So I'm going to bold and italicize it, and then I'm going to go around over here and let's say for example select this out and select the note out and underline it right here, and then italicize out the main text. And over here for this one I'm going to turn it into a bullet point right here, so that they come as endpoints, as you can see. And this is how you can go around and change the format out, as you can see. If I were to go around and post it now, then what happens is that everything is formatted, as you can see right here. But sometimes you may want to go around and remove out all of the formatting, maybe because you did a wrong formatting and you want to change it out. In that case, you can go around on to edit right here, or while you're simply making a post, you can simply go around and click on remove formatting right here. Once you select out all, click on remove formatting, and then all of the formattings will just be removed, as you can see. But in my case, I don't want to remove it, so I'm just going to go around and press cancel over here. And that is how you can go around and format out text in announcement inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.